Start the recording now. Children. Oh, no. Where's my lesson 6? Oh, I no. Math 6. Okay, good morning, grade 6. I no, why is it grade 4? No, it's for you. I did not edit. Anyway, I would like to ask Rich Ivan. Hi, Rich Ivan. Good morning. Please lead the prayer. Okay.
Lead the prayer po, teacher.
Yes po. Aray.
Dear God, thank you for this wonderful day. We are very grateful for the gift of life, love, and protection. Please guide us as we start our lesson for today. May your Holy Spirit be with us until the end. Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Rich Ivan. Yes. All right. Be mindful that our virtual class rules are the following. First, find a quiet place, be ready and be on time. Attendance is always tracked. Because my discussion for today is, for always, we have recording. And then keep your video on if you can and look at the camera. Okay. By the way, children, during our accreditation, I really need you, if you really can, do some effort to open your cameras. Okay? All right. You know when is the accreditation? You know? You don't know?
May
Really?
1?
26, 27,
May
28.
1. May 1.
26,
May 1?
Sure, I heard teacher that the interview
May
is at April 26,
1.
27, 28. So I just assumed that those are the dates.
Abitot, mga 26, 27, 28 or ang
No,
May
that's for
1.
your
May.
part. But for the class observation, that would be 4, 5, and 6.
May
Okay?
4, 5, and 6.
Yes, and that
Teacher
is
nga na walay klase sa kan teacher.
sa 2.
Walay klase sa 2 and 3.
What I know is for May 2, it's the
Kanay klase teacher.
the Ramadan. Don't worry, our principal will
Sa kan
announce,
teacher sa
right?
3.
I'm not sure. Sige lang. We will inform Brandon. Okay? All right, let's continue. Of course, you need to pay attention, listen, participate. Immerse yourself until it is your time to speak and say no to distraction. Okay, so let's review, of course. So this was the lesson taught by teacher Ryan, right? Okay, let's check. Look at the graph. The chart. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's answer the process questions. Let's have number 1. Raise your hand. Oh, this one, oh. Children during the accreditation, ha? When I say, who wants to answer? Yeah, teacher. Oh, yan. Sige, practice the bit. Taas ang kamay. Ganon. Okay. All right, so let's have EXO. Though
Sure.
ay, yes, Chanel. What's your prob?
Nalibog gihapon ko anang sure.
Wait lang. Isa-isa lang.
Na
Chanel.
sure. Nalibog gihapon ko anang mga tong mga pie chart sure.
Yes. Why is that Chanel?
Question dere, ma'am.
Kung
First
ako
question.
ako
Wait lang,
naghimo sa
EXO.
Last
favorite
time
teacher kay
man good sure
35%
nalibog
tanan
ko ba
ana
tapos wala
teacher.
na
Ay, nako. Diba? You raise your hand if you wanted to answer. Okay, let's start with Chanel muna ba? What's your question, Chanel?
Nalibog gihapon ko sure kay last time sure nalibog kaya ako sure.
Your question is how to make the graph out of
Yes,
the
sure.
data. Okay, your question, EXO, is?
What question dere akong i-answer?
Okay. Wait lang, EXO, ha? regarding the pie graph. You have question, Brandon? Okay. This is very important. Why? Yes, Gian. You have question, Gian? Where's Gian?
Siguro
Yeah.
mukha na, teacher.
Wait
No,
lang.
wala
Ah,
po, teacher.
wala. Okay. All right. So before we will continue to EXO. Okay, wait muna EXO ha. All right. I will give some time, okay, to discuss it again to you. You want it later in the afternoon or tomorrow? You have time in the afternoon.
Pwede Thursday na lang, ma'am.
Thursday?
Sabay.
Mm,
We have work. We still have to finish up all of the others.
oh, yes. I am very sorry if you are really so busy. Okay,
It's okay,
we will have
teacher.
time tomorrow. I will, since we have 40 minutes tomorrow, kahit 10 minutes lang. Okay, very easy lang man siya. Somehow we have some computation
Teacher, at
tomorrow.
mag-review ta karon, teacher.
Tomorrow na. Okay, about the computation. Is that your problem, Chanel? How to compute
Yes,
it?
sure.
Yes. I believe that in your math,
Di ba, teacher, di ba, i-plus to tanan, teacher, then i-multiply by 100?
Multiply by 100%.
No,
Um,
di ba?
percent?
Multiply
there
to
is
360?
division pa. Di ba may division pa,
Oh,
Yes,
addition.
teacher.
Mm,
Yung murag
That's
5,
why.
No.
Why,
40.
wait
5
lang.
divided by
Oh, we
40,
add all,
10.
then divide that to the number you're gonna need the percent, then times it to 100%.
Yes, to percentage. So, I think we really need to review how to solve percentage. No, even though you have that, you had that one in your previous lesson. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay. So tomorrow, all right. So before, I think you can answer these questions, process questions, because it's not all about the computation. It's all about the data that we have in our pie graph. Okay. Number one, Excel.
Which is Rona's most favorite food? Ang pizza po.
You answer in a sentence form, Excel. Please.
Oh, okay, wait.
The most.
Rona's most favorite food that is on the
The
paragraph is the pizza po.
is the pizza. Okay, very good. So the most favorite food of Rona is pizza. Okay, now let's do number two. Number two, let's have Gian. Yes, Gian.
Fried chicken.
Oh, in a sentence form. Okay, children. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Wait lang, Gian. Whenever you answer a sentence or in a question, a sentence form, because it's a sentence form, right? You need also to
Ano na tayo na
answer.
question, teacher, number 4?
Number two pa tayo. You answer also in a sentence form. Okay? And then please read the question first, Gian, and then your answer. Okay, go, Gian.
Number 2 po, teacher.
Yes po, Gian. And read the question first, ha?
Which one is the least favorite?
Okay.
Uh,
The least
least
favorite
favorite
is
is fried chicken.
fried chicken. Okay. Mm? Her least favorite fried chicken?
Most
For-
favorite na, teacher,
for
kay
me,
mostly mo na among breakfast.
Oh, so
Usahay.
yummy.
Pero ang 50% teacher kay egg among breakfast.
Okay. All right. Okay. This is not part of the question, but I would like to ask, how did you know? How did you know that the least favorite of Rona is fried chicken and her most favorite is the pizza? How? How? Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Nipilit na pod.
Lag.
answer
Ako
Oh,
lang
yes
naglag.
po.
Nose.
Ako. Ako lang yun. Ako lang talaga. Okay, yes, Abby.
As you can see in Riona's favorite food pie chart, pizza has 58%
Mm-hmm.
that covered the chart, and then the fried chicken has the least because it only has 9%.
Yes. Very good. So you can say that those percentage helps a lot, helps a lot to show what is the data all about. Okay. So pie chart cannot be that meaningful without the percentage. Okay. All right. Okay, let's do number 3. I want other hands. Other. Left hand na naman. Kanina right, so left naman.
TL dicer. Ay, ma'am.
Hmm.
TL.
Ay. Okay. Okay, let's have Chanel. After Chanel, I will ask other hands na ha. Okay, Chanel, number 3 first. Read the question.
How many percentage? The percentage of the second most favorite food is 23%, which is hot dog.
Okay. All right. So how many percentage is the second most favorite food? The percentage of the second most favorite food is, what is that again?
23%,
Okay, 23%. Okay.
which is hot.
The question is asking for the percentage only. So you don't need to tell me the food. Okay?
Okay, sure.
No, yan siya. Follow the instructions, diba? Sometimes, though, I really know the topic, but if we don't follow the instructions, mali pa rin siya. But anyway, your answer for the percentage, Chanel, is correct. Okay, for number 4. Oh, number 4, I will ask other hands. Okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I will ask Carlene.
What is the difference between the percentage of the most and the least favorite food?
Yes. What is the difference?
The
Most?
pizza, the most favorite food, has 58%, while
Mm-hmm.
the least favorite food has 9%.
Yes. So what's the difference? It's
One
all
has
about
bigger-
it's all about the percentage, Carlene, ha? It's not how the food tastes. Kasi mas masarap talaga ang fried chicken. Okay, the percentage. Look at the percentage. How are you going to do that?
Sure na kay answer.
I'm asking Carlene. You're not Carlene po.
One
Come
has a
on,
bigger
Carlene.
percentage-
I'm rooting for you. Huh? First,
One has a bigger percentage.
ano yun? Again,
One has a bigger percentage.
bigger percentage. That's why it is labeled as the most. No, the question is the difference. In mathematics, when we have a problem solving, difference is equivalent to what operation? Difference. What operations is that? To have the difference between the two number, what operation that are you going to use? I will give a high five to those who got the correct answer.
Seryoso lang itong
What, Brandon?
itong question, teacher.
What's the question? The question, Brandon, is Number 4. Look at number 4. Okay, number 4 talks about the difference between the percentage. Okay, the percentage of the most and the least favorite food. So when you say difference in the problem solving sa math, it represents to a certain operation. So what
Kabalo
operation?
ko.
Wait. I need you to raise your hand and then I will call the name and then you can answer. Same hands. I want other hands.
Answer.
Abby sent me a direct message. It's not the answer.
I know, teacher. Now I know. I was like looking at the.
Okay.
I was just taking a guess, but now I just realized the answer.
Okay, all right. Okay. I'll give a high five. Oh, Brandon. But I did not call your name, so I will not acknowledge that. But your
I'm not
answer is
sure.
correct. Yes po. Okay. I will go again to Curlin. Since you read the question number 4. Okay, what's your answer, Curlin? Justify. Come on.
Thank you, teacher.
What? What's that? Are you thinking? Okay. How about Elijah? Elijah, why are you closing your camera? Maingay. Okay, how about ano daw? How about Janine? You want to try Janine? What operation? No, you don't want to try.
Teacher, ano nga yung sa hahanapin namin, teacher?
Operation.
What kind of operation? What part?
Yes, there are 4 operations, right?
Gali lang gali kayo, sure.
We have-
What part
Na
of the
na
operation
na
did
na
you
na.
use it all?
Di ba ganun yun? Okay. Okay.
Sure, dali ka.
Okay, Brandon, you share your answer na. The answer is
Subtraction.
yes po.
Kasi ang difference, teacher mo ng answer sa subtraction.
Yes
Subtraction.
po. Okay. So you know now, Karine. So what's the difference between the two? You need to subtract, right? So the answer is, what's the answer? 58 minus 9 is,
49.
oh, it's Carlin. Hey, Carlin.
49%.
Answer me in a sentence form. The
The difference between the percentage of the most and the least favorite food is 49%.
Yeah, okay. Very good. By the way, since you already are working on your ET, that is all about the data. For your PT, guys, you're going to make a bar chart. Pie graph. Okay, so you already see your PT in the CLE.
Kailangan ikuha ng data sa ma'am. Or
Oi. You have you checked your CLE for the PT?
yet po malapang tagal.
Yes. Okay. So you read the instruction very well. Okay. You have time, a lot of time to do that. I give some examples, right? Guidelines. No?
Checking pa po ma'am.
Okay.
For me,
Let-
teacher, I haven't checked po.
Okay. Let's check.
Not yet po, because I was still making the other 80s.
It's
Same,
fine.
same.
Basa lang ako ma'am.
Char.
The Philippine Department of Social Welfare and
Okay, I'll show you guys.
Livelihood.
Excel. I'm showing it now. Okay, see. You see, I have example of computation here. And I no. You can't see anything, right? Okay, can you see now? All right. In your CLE, follow the guidelines. Okay. So this is your data, your ET, right? This is your ET. This part. This one. This is your PT. And then after that, your represent the data in percent. Kasi you cannot make
Ay,
your
so teacher, kato akong 80 teacher na percent, himuon na
Mm-mm.
mong percent, then maghimo kag pie chart.
Opo, very good.
So, yun yung gagawin,
Easy.
teacher. Yung 80 namin,
Easy
gawin
naman,
namin
teacher.
percent, tapos gagawin namin pie chart.
Yes po. Alright, diba?
Ilan pa lang total, teacher?
Mm-hmm.
Ilan pa lang total?
Ito, sa amount lang. So, total of your,
Amount lang.
your present or the percentage, of course, 100% or 100%. Okay? Alright, that's it. And then, your chart. So, you may give me pictures. Here, you can upload it here. Oh, you see? Or you can upload your files. Or, yeah, in a document or pero mas nice pag document. But if you're having a hard time, that's the time you ask my permission, teacher. I'm really having a hard time in sending my PT. Now, you can send it personally to my messenger.
Padugya po to
Teacher, what
among
if the total of our
teacher.
80
So,
was
pagyapon to
zero?
balik amo ang
Okay.
ikuan, teacher.
Wait lang, Brandon.
Oto.
Wait lang. What is it, Brandon?
Isulat to balik, teacher. Katong
Kailangan.
family monthly
Yes
expenses.
po. Yes. You need that to make a table with percentage. That's why I showed you in the guidelines that your data in ET must be present.
Wait, teacher, what if our total hits zero po? Just like the number zero.
The total
The
is
total of our ET po hit zero because we needed that, right, to divide.
what
for
do you
to get the
mean? In
percentage.
your the amount is zero?
Hindi po, teacher, if you like minus, remember, teacher, in the total you have to minus the expenses on your budget. What if it actually hit zero, like no negative?
It's fine, Abby, because in your data with the percentage, you only put the expenses alone. There's no total income there. Okay, so that's it.
But in order to divide and get the percent po, teacher, what do we use to divide? Wait, what do we use to multiply before we wait, what do we use to divide before we multiply?
Yes po. Okay. Wala na, hindi na tayo makaleson nito. Okay, I'll show you a bit only, ha? Look at this. In your expenses, the total expenses is 34,500. That number, you're going to divide it by your each expenses. So for your food, you have 8,000 divided by the total expenses that is 34,500. And then multiply by 100 and then your percentage. Okay? Kung pwede,
Ano
one
naman na,
decimal
teacher?
point lang tayo, one decimal point. Kaya para 100% talaga siya. Okay? Don't worry, we will review
Pwede mo
that
gamit calculator, teacher?
sa ano mo. Of
Kana,
course. Yes
kana,
po.
teacher?
Opo. It's fine, it's fine. Okay lang. Okay na?
Teacher?
Ha? Who asked that one? Chanel?
Yes, teacher.
You're,
Oh my God.
what's that? Is that a violent reaction? Okay na? We will touch that one tomorrow. Okay? All right, so let's continue now. We have 10 minutes no long. Okay, let's do the explore. Look at the guy here. And then the jar with lots of marbles. Look at it. Look at it in 5, 4,
Kabali iyang
3.
lecture.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's answer some question. What do you observe in the above pictures? Okay, let's go back here. What do you observe?
Blindfolded siya, teacher. Nangitag
You
ka.
want to answer, you raise your hand and wait your name will be to be called. Yes. Raise your hand. Brandon only? Again? Okay. Sige, Brandon. I observe.
Nangitag the blindfold guy is finding candy.
Is it candies? Oh,
Marble.
maybe. Okay, maybe, right? But
Might be.
yeah. Okay. Who wants to answer? Okay, thank you for that, Brandon. You might be looking for a candy, circular candies.
I-count dun ako tanan na marble or candy, teacher.
Okay, Abby. All right, Brandon, you can do that. Abby?
If I'm being honest, teacher, I have no idea why is there a boy there, but what I have observed is that there are multiple colored marbles in a jar
Mhm.
or just circles, and then there's a blindfolded kid there trying, like he's looking for something, like
Looking
some
for something.
looking for something, or
Alright.
like, it's like a game po or something
Oh,
because
so
he
it's
looks
like a
like
game or activity, looking for
looks like he's
something.
enjoying trying to find the
Mm-hmm.
the
All
marbles.
right. Oh, marbles.
Oh,
Okay,
I just
okay.
assume those are marbles because there's no way that's candy.
Okay, that's fine, Abby. Okay, that's a very good idea, huh? Okay, who wants to answer more? Oh,
Parang di siya gusto sa marbles too, teacher.
okay. Elijah, what's your
Yes.
answer?
Teacher, naman, dili siya ganahan sa marbles.
Hmm?
But,
The
or
boy
kasi
doesn't
gipangita.
like?
Parang gipangita niya, teacher.
In a sentence form, Elijah, please. Come on, you can do it. What I observe.
What I observed, the boy is looking for the marbles.
Looking. He's looking. But, ano tawag yan? The boy is, look at this, blindfolded. Sorry. So, since the status of this kid is he doesn't have the full ability to get what he wants because he was blindfolded. So let's answer number 2. If the blindfolded kid were going to get a marble, okay, in the jar, what do you think is the chance of getting a red marble? Abby, very excited to
As
answer.
teacher, as I have counted each marble by their color, the
Mm-hmm.
total amount of the red marbles is 14. So so in a percent of 1 to 10%, there is a chance that he may get the marbles by 7%, because I cannot assume it will be 10% due to more marbles being at the bottom of the jar.
So how did you get that 7%?
Because my teacher, there are 3 marbles at the top, and then
Mm-hmm.
if you measure the size of the hand, you may actually touch the red marble first because
Uh-uh.
that is at the very tip.
Yes
Yes, but
po.
if it dives down, there may also be a chance you may get the red because there are a lot of reds at the bottom. So there's also a
Oh.
larger chance. It will not be
Mm-mm.
10% because the last 2%, because the other 2% may be a precaution that he may actually pick the blue or the green ones.
Okay, wow. So there is a chance of 7% to get the red marbles. All right. Thank you, Abby. Abby is so confident with her answer. I think Brandon has the idea too. May I ask Brandon?
Time na.
Hi, si EXO. Hi, nako EXO. We have still 2 minutes pa. It's very precious. Come on, Brandon. Do
To
you
the
have?
teacher.
Oh, you have the idea. You raise your hand.
I want mo teacher.
Ah, wala to siya. Okay, who else? Who wants to try? Mm-hmm. None? Oh, EXO. Maybe you have. Hmm?
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 Unsa? No,
Idea.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't have. Okay. All right. Anyway, you know what? Abby has that idea already of the chances, right? But though, you know what? When you are blindfolded, when you are blindfolded, except if you have the power or if you have the eyes in your hand, yeah, right? You can exactly get what you want. But it's all about the chances, eh? Okay, we do not know. So this is all about, by the way, the probability.
Para ng dice teacher na kay 50% ay dili teacher katong
Oh, yes,
coin.
yes, yes. Tossing a coin. Very good example. What else?
Dice.
Oh, the dice. What else? Yes, Abby.
I have a question. What is the question po, teacher?
Brandon shared the similar activities of what we have in the marbles. He said that it's the same with tossing a coin and rolling a dice. It's all about the chances. However, we have less
And
than minute.
prediction po.
Oh yes, what is it, Abby?
You have, if you are blindfolded po, and then you have to grab the specific type of marble, you will only have to trust your chances or you will predict on what you get. It's kind of
Yes,
like
predictions. All right, so let us talk about that everything tomorrow. And of course, we start with the pie graph review. Okay, bye bye, grade 6. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye.